Lena was a chef at a popular restaurant in the heart of the city. She had always been passionate about cooking and was known for her innovative dishes that left customers raving. But there was one recipe that she kept hidden from everyone, even her closest friends and family. It was her secret recipe, the one she had been perfecting for years, and it was the key to her success. One day, Lena received an unexpected visit from a food critic who had heard about her culinary skills and wanted to taste her food for himself. Lena was nervous, but also excited for the opportunity to showcase her talents. She decided to prepare her secret recipe, confident that it would impress even the most discerning palate. As the food critic savored each bite, his eyes widened in delight. "This is incredible," he exclaimed, "I've never tasted anything like it." Lena smiled, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment that she had never experienced before. But little did Lena know, her secret recipe had been noticed by someone else, someone who was willing to do whatever it took to get their hands on it. The next day, Lena arrived at work to find that her recipe book was missing. Panic set in as she realized that someone had stolen her secret recipe. She searched everywhere, but it was nowhere to be found. Days turned into weeks, and Lena's anxiety only grew. She had no idea who could have taken her recipe or what their intentions were. But as time passed, Lena began to suspect that it was someone from within her own kitchen. Determined to get to the bottom of the mystery, Lena embarked on a secret investigation. She watched her co-workers closely, searching for any signs of guilt or deceit. And eventually, her suspicions led her to one person, her sous chef, Juan. Lena confronted Juan, demanding to know if he had taken her recipe. At first, Juan denied any involvement, but as Lena continued to press him, he finally broke down and confessed. He had always been envious of Lena's success and had taken the recipe in hopes of replicating her dishes and stealing her spotlight. Feeling both betrayed and relieved, Lena confronted her boss about Juan's actions. To her surprise, her boss not only fired Juan but also gave Lena a promotion, recognizing her talent and dedication to her craft. As Lena walked out of the restaurant that day, she felt a sense of closure and liberation. Her secret recipe had been stolen, but in the end, it had only brought her closer to her true passion and given her the recognition she deserved. From that day on, Lena vowed to never let anyone stand in the way of her dreams again.